man. Only for bad sound I learned tonight, man. Trouble. Ah.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Big up Killer Face. Innovation for the land. Hey, King Klepto, crack it.
My lover no bottom, my lover no top. I'm giving my love, I ain't gonna stop. I'm in the middle of love.
What we are do?
So loving you.
I some girl.
And I don't know how much I care. Yeah. There is so much for us to share, baby.
Eh?
There is even dreams or vision for us, lady.
Yeah, man.
My lover no start, my lover no end. I'm giving my love to you as a good friend. I'm in the middle of nowhere. So loving you.
I'm gonna line all of them song about them artists. Rest in peace, my general.
Oh, sound boy, your sound it have no bottom or no top. Ooh, yeah.
Jeez.
Them sound have no bottom, them sound have no top. I want to know, Klepto, of all of that, we are in the middle of a sound clash. Ain't killing you, sound boy. And I don't know. Oh, Klepto sound bad so. Yeah.
We go.
Them sound have no bottom, them sound have no top. I want to know Klepto sound of all of that. We are in the middle,
Jeez.
in the middle of the dancehall, hey, and killing you, somebody.
I admit you just say
I
you.
don't know. Oh, Klepto sound that so.
Yo, Michael Prophet, sing out.
Them sound it have no bottom or no top. Some boy,
Good now.
hey,
Good now.
the sound it have all of that. I say
Listen to the part I song now.
there is so much sound for Klepto to kill.
But I tell you,
I want to watch your Klepto sound sign some boy will.
I know we are punch out the early thing in the early wab and chicken. Understand? Clean up to our early steal them. Yeah.
Every time stitch.
Yeah.
You see you like that Apache. You don't see it rich.
And a regular them thing I go on the forward, you know.
Man, them case.
3 sound and 1 land. That's it, Killer Face.
Have some red eye sound.
Jeez.
Did not the dance right now.
We go.
A shine eye sound can't test King Klepto.
Hold on, man. You know what the early one I'm thinking about? Oh, the third famous.
Like that Apache.
Yeah, the whole Klepto crew there, you know. Ricky Badness, I see you. Oh, Ricky Spice type place up there. Jeez. Oh.
A shine eye sound can't test King Klepto. Shine eye sound, killer jump and the dance.
When I tell you,
Idiot sound boy can't test King Klepto.
I tell you,
Alright, early looking some dub from early. So they're looking for the sound boy.
but him no on, yeah. I'm gonna lie to you, see the dub plate, yeah. When I first sound for ever play the dub plate, and especially now some man running on the dub plate, yeah. You understand? Listen to the dub plate, yeah.
I'm seeing it's all about the King Klepto sound.
Yeah, man.
The saga continue. Famous big up all the time. I'm just a stitch, no worry yourself, Apache, you see it, rich kid. Michael at Bruce Van them case. See me.
One of my favorite dub to you know, that's it.
Sting ding dana boy.
You know why?
We love King Klepto. Klepto sound. We love, yes, the champion sound. We love King Klepto sound. We love
roll the machine
sound. I love King Klepto sound. Red, sing that boy.
Lord of man.
I love King Klepto sound. Gold. I love King Klepto sound. Green. Son of boy. King Klepto come to mash up the scene.
Touchdown.
We love King Klepto.
How you talk about Michael Rose? I'm an artist. You understand? Not to my
I'm
artist.
gonna say you don't know.
Records. My early crew I go and check in. You understand? Yeah, the machine I go and warm up in Ireland and think. Why Terry little machine clean, see where you out. Not change. Hey!
Guess who's killing another sound? King Klepto.
Yeah.
The heavyweight sound.
Yeah, machine it's a chuckle steady.
No, polyphemus.
Yeah, man, don't tell King Turbo they don't see you, you know. They about them a kick out teeth, you know. Box in a face, you know. Yeah? They say something go on. Oh, buckler. Let go in bass again, the youth. Listen, track the bass down.
Guess who's killing another sound? King Klepto. Stealing another boy.
Hola, no man.
Guess who is killing another sound? King Klepto.
Listening, how you go?
Oh, I can see you coming from studio with some dub plate. Boy. The selector coming over the hills with some brand new for you. Times like these, we now ramp with a jumping sound. Book of rule.
Jeez.
That's the head. A sound boy, I got dead. Guess who is killing another sound? King Klepto.
I'm a selector like this. Anywhere me go in the world, me have to play my first baby mother. You understand? Enough man represent for them baby mother. You know, understand? Anywhere me go in the world, me play my first baby mother. You understand? So my first baby mother, I'm talking to them now.
This is JC Lodge for the biggest sound exterminator in town, King Klepto sound. Sound boy, if you want to live, don't stick around. Respect to you, polyphemus, natural, kid, Rico and Fire Blast. Ready, aim, attack. Gonna kill your sound. We're King Klepto. Gonna kill your sound. You should've left town. You thought you could fake it, but you can't. Some boy, you made a wrong move, so you must understand. King Klepto, now let up once we begin. Why you going to feel Klepto fire under your skin?
Sing out, move on.
Now ease you up, no, not a chance.
Jeez.
How dare you clash against Klepto in this dance?
What we do?
Gonna kill your sound. We're King Klepto. Gonna kill your sound. You should've left town, boy. Why you gonna regret the day you were born? When King Klepto done with you, your family going mourn.
Hola, no.
Dub after dub, aiming straight to your head.
Man, I like some of a new man them sing out. Yeah, me be a mother, give me a next song, yeah.
Sound boy, I can see you start shake like jello. Cause this is the most murderous sound around, King Klepto. Here to dust you out from your head top to your big toe. JC Love said honor is due to Polyphemus, Naturalist, Rich Kid, Rico and Fire Blast. Get them no heart attacks. Oh yeah, oh yeah. King Klepto gonna kill your sound. Every second, another sound boy is down.
Jeez.
When it comes to clash, we don't play around. King Klepto wants all sound boys buried deep underground.
You know why?
King Klepto sound is the clash ruler.
Hey.
Sound boy, I don't know what make you think you're a little play sound could have stand up to this sound named King Klepto, you know, and clash you with we will bring you.
What a woman can sing.
JC Lodge said when selectors Stitch, Apache, Rich Kid, and Polyphamous take you to your death, you're going sorry say you ever draw bread. Oh. Whoa, yeah. King Klepto kill a sound today.
You know we kill the sound?
We even kill a sound tomorrow.
Jeez.
Whoa, we kill enough sound every day.
I'm gonna lie now. More time hear some sound I play some combination. I mean I said Janu. The artists them must have about to hear some Batman play them sound there. You see me? But I lie. Every time them link the artists, yo, make a combination there for me. You want Jard Nooks, you want Luciana, you want Ray, you never send them and them a girl. Eh? What do you send the blood clean combination if I about to do it? And when you get him I say, youth, you're first youth. From a forward from prison said a girl come give me. So here what? The song is free. Icon.
Polyphamous Stitch. This is another special sample. King Klepto as an example. JC Lounge and Bunch of Bunton.
See
now sound boy, King Klepto sound on the case. I sound all you sound boy face to face with top selector Stitch, Apache, Rich Kid and Polyphamous. King Klepto is truly dangerous. This is JC Lodge alongside Butcher Banter.
What we do?
Kill you with it.
Yes.
King Klepto gonna kill you with it.
What do you know?
Fill you with it.
Oh, fool them up.
King Klepto fill you with the bullets.
No style.
Champion killer, that's King Klepto sound.
Hear that?
Champion killer, killing everybody.
Check out the bass, man.
Hear me?
I'm missing.
Champion killer, that's King Klepto sound.
If you play sound from yard, you know so we take out bass.
You
You understand?
every sound boy down.
You know why? How when them?
We're not gonna take it easy. Sound boy, you are good dead tonight. Dubs King Klepto playing. They're gonna take your life.
Listen, you know.
You think you sound full of action, but some boy you are make pure commotion. Your life is now done.
You know why the boy them afraid of the little sound here?
Murder done. Kill you with it.
Yo, Spice.
To run a kill.
Badness, you know why them afraid of we?
Fill you with it. Keep Klepto fill you with the bullets.
But tell her why now, listen.
Klepto kill like a champion, juggle like a champion. What a wicked sound, King Klepto will you come? Polyphamous Stitch. This is another special sample. King Klepto as an example. JC Lounge and Bunch of Bunton.
Now sound boy, King Klepto sound is on the case.
All
you
right.
sound boy,
Them a complain.
top selector Stitch, Apache, Rich Kid and Polyphamous. King Klepto is truly dangerous.
Alright, what's on the
Now
bass?
alongside Butcher Banter.
Hear it?
Kill you with it.
Yes.
King Klepto gonna kill you with it.
What do you know?
Fill you with it.
Won't fool them up.
King Klepto fill you with the bullets.
One leap a bullet.
No style.
Champion killer.
I say true we have bad sound. I see him song, but watch your style now.
Polyphamous Stitch. This is another special sample.
You see how long boat you take for forward in a while ago.
JC Lounge.
When we got clash one I know.
No sound boy.
And we now wait so long.
So
Just the one.
sound on the case. I sound all you sound boy face to face with top
If I did one war, you know.
Apache, Rich Kid and
Just listen.
Famous. King Klepto is truly dangerous.
Take out the bass, no bass.
Alongside Butcher Banter.
Hear it?
Kill you with it.
Yes.
King Klepto gonna kill you with it.
What do you know?
Fill you with it.
Yes.
King Klepto fill you with the bullets.
Listen.
No style.
Champion killer, that's King Klepto sound.
Hear that?
Put you there at the gate.
Champion killer,
Gate man, let in the gargamel.
sound.
You know why?
Champion killer, that's King Klepto sound.
Yeah.
Where's the gargamel there?
Champion killer, puts in every sound
I could
boy
have scrapped the bass and
down.
catch you one more time. You know why?
Klepto kill like a champion, juggle like a champion. What a wicked sound, King Klepto, where you come from? Oh, you kill jump on. Oh, papa pam pam. King Klepto, you roll. King Klepto kill like a champion, juggle like a champion. What a wicked sound, King Klepto, where you come from? Oh, you kill jump on. Pam 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 pam. King Klepto, you roll. King Klepto will be more than blind to kill them pan. Lay to the dumb plan. That does mean your sound can't come back. This King Klepto make them send agency like Jambo True Black. Night no one sound just get flat. Dance and rum until the outside pack. How we King Klepto make the world get shocked. When we come and dance and later fi act. Show it to your soul like Jambo True Bantam from the car line block.
Fill you with it. King Klepto fill you with the bullets. Why? Kill you with it. King Klepto gonna kill you with it. Why? Champion killer. That's King Klepto sound. Well, champion killer, killing every boy around. Yeah.
Look here, what I want, no look for them way. You just don't go no matter what a sound play. When you dash on, you dump them. What a display. Who them are?
Yeah, man, when you have your sound, you have to have some exclusive don't play too. You understand? You can't just play everything where everybody else play. More time, you understand? You can't go in a box and find some different kind of song. You understand? I'm saying,
I'm gonna say yes, man. States of King Klepto. I the King Selassie, the Almighty. You know what I mean? Yo, squeeze.
Them song a turbo I go depend on, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Check it out. The King shall join thy strength and in the salvation of great shall he rejoice.
Them can't stop the little sound, man. You understand?
Klepto, I'm me joy. Them want destroy. I'm me joy. Them can't touch me joy.
Sister, I'm me joy.
Them want destroy.
That's why me go shot them with it.
I the joy. Them want destroy. I the joy. Can't touch the joy. Well, they not the joy. Them want destroy. I the joy. Hey, King Klepto.
I'm not lie, no. You see, the me a voice the Kolanji singer. The voice the singer for myself and everything. Them singer represent dance that polyphemus. Listen.
I'm gonna say yes because myself and a King Klepto massive stage of St. Thomas people. Oh, beautiful stage of polyphemus. Stitch stage of Apache, you don't know. Rich kid.
Some boy in our life now no meaning.
Some are reaching out to all of the massive them, you know, we have to make a living in a life. The system so fucked
if
up.
my life spare for the next 5 years, know me I gotta do.
Killing and torturing them, so we gotta make a way alive, alright? Now, when I sit down and look at my life, I could write a damn blasted book of my life. The amount of time I'ma say yes to myself and a King Klepto.
Why did them see one little video Trooper top himself down a yard?
Beautiful.
I mean I laugh, you know. Come like them forget to have a box down Trooper in a real life at Toronto in a real life. You understand? Put that on YouTube.
That is Mount Zion.
Yeah man, Trooper you a pussy.
Some reaching out to all of the massive them, you know.
You know, you feel like you make up look nice one day, I'm laughing off.
Fire on the people.
In a real life, you know me clean my size 11 in your face.
Make a way alive, alright? When I sit down and look,
I bet the Trooper can't take no more dance safari in Canada.
My life,
as long as me live here.
King Klepto keep pushing.
Nah, foul.
I burn out them warrants.
Nervous, you know.
So many people I King Klepto out. We got to strive about them.
Yeah, man.
Fire. All them must spread their propaganda no matter what.
Let the song you play.
Our famous speech tell them bam. Them vex when King Klepto go through. But ask them what the fuck they gonna do. They do. Them vex when they use them around.
You think the song done yet?
Okay.
Listen up.
Klepto said things got to come my way. The business got to run the right way. Things got to come my way. That's what I say, King Klepto. Kill them every day. Famous ultimate hustler. Real man struggle.
But I lie about Virgin. But I talk about Colangina from now till daylight.
I'ma say yes because myself.
Yeah, man.
Klepto, yeah. I'ma say more love and more righteousness. Cleanliness in the ghetto.
And them want to say Bill King Klepto so.
Mr. Selector Polyphia.
Anyway, they Colangina, big up.
Them never hear about it.
Yeah,
Stay so. Make it known, man. Stay so gangster for life. Stay so center.
Well, listen to the bad man song, you know.
You don't know. Apache stay so. Yo.
You know what Bill Polyphemus, them thing you build me. Innovation and them thing I build me. Listen.
Man desires to kill a sound boy. Marfly. Man desires to kill a sound boy.
When you see the little sound, remember this.
King Klepto sound is the wickedest sound, man, in the whole wide world.
Hey, hold on, man.
Ooh.
But this little sound is on the planet.
Man deserves to kill a sound boy. Marfly.
I used to when me say me and the bodies.
Man desires
I like when people prove me wrong, say me the bad.
Marfly.
So if a man don't like what me say me and the bodies,
Klepto,
you just defend it.
the wickedest sound, man, in the whole wide world.
Whoa, do that.
Kill fucking clown
And take away them girl.
Kill any sound.
Hold on, man. We can't play one Kolanji for the Far East. Yeah, man. I feel me artist.
For the people. Pick myself, Richie. Alright. Pick myself, Anjo. Alright. Bless up all girls and all gangsters. Pick myself, Polly Famous. Alright. Pick myself, Stage. You can't switch.
That's style and name.
Okay. Rise to the occasion. Go out. You know you're strong. No one can stop you. Rise to the
I want my favorite dub this in my box. Make it chuckle. Where go?
It's for you to make the best in life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step. Do what you're going to right. King Klepto sound say.
Sure.
Some people read and meditate.
Why yet, man? Like, you ready for Toronto this year?
Conscious about life and one thing, yeah. Some people like out like champagne and brandy, yeah. Babies love ice cream cake, so they got the candy, yeah. I love herbs and girls through summer shanty, yeah. Girls love going to school brand new, I mean spanking, yeah.
Play.
We all need education because it's a damn thing, yeah. All things paid, leaving it standing. It's for you.
The party I sang now for the man them who love Punani.
Now that you got the chance,
The man them know say tomorrow Mother's Day. Them are big up them baby mother.
yeah.
Listen now.
You got to learn where you're going down.
The party I sang.
Think Klepto say, where do you go? Don't you need my love, baby? When are you going to let us play? When are you going to come my way?
And the party name.
What sort of things they've been telling you?
Jeez.
They just won't stop me from getting you. So I've got to stop them from compelling you.
So what you fi do?
Give me a try, 'cause I know that things will be great.
But hey, 8 ball. Like your sound, you see. Yeah. Man, all I know, 8 ball, your sound improve. From the last time I kill it down, so realize say improve and you go sell the old box them on the top. I don't see them. Some pretty sit me sip on top, you know, I understand. And some, you understand? See my go with some little thing and the machine clean. Yeah, I say, yes, brother. Yeah, but that's how I go sometimes, man. Sometimes you have to buck up in a some sound and then you realize, you understand? Them something there and rare, but yeah, man, I play some only like a fake something, man. And the only problem, you know, you don't love it, but you have to know when the song is not good. You understand? When you listen to them and you hear some next sound play, maybe you play some one chess earlier and you understand? That's not Sanchez. When you talk about Sanchez, you hear innovation tell you a while ago. Listen to one now. I'll start off with this like this.
But this one happens to be an extra special. Yeah. You don't know that.
Money song them, you understand? No beg nothing, no free nothing, no boy
you
said
it's all
come
about
you.
King Klepto and a Sanchez original come on a play splice.
Yeah, man, you're mad. No splice.
But like that.
What you say, Sanchez?
You don't know it's all about King Klepto and a Sanchez original come on a play splice. Nothing.
You're mad.
Bad like that.
Oh, so bad like that.
Polly Famous know yourself, me, Jay.
Yeah, man. Turn on the bum buckler. Yo, watch a juggling now, man.
Rich kid.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
rass up in
murder
that
song.
style.
Murder squad. Watch this. Punk gonna die.
Buckler.
Hi, yes. King Klepto again. Oh, yes.
Listen.
Better get ready. King Klepto rock steady.
You see if them violate.
We're gonna beat some drum fan. Hope they are ready.
Oh, that's chuckle, man.
To beat them just like.
I know your big sound playing on that. Hold on.
If you don't know,
you see tonight.
Yes, Klepto, now you are gonna die. Rise some guns and then your marrow fly. You see. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, yes, sir. I want you listen what I go and know yourself, man.
King Klepto, play a dog for me. King Klepto,
We had to lie down for your man them.
for me. I want you to do
One bag of man round here, you throw down yourself in front of man. You know, see a batty boy.
what you do. All the little things
Have a song play, man.
Klepto do.
Hold on, no man.
Children pie.
Yo, Sanchez, give me a next song here, man. Early part. Let's go.
By the look at your sound, I can tell you're gonna die. It is over, drum and sound.
Easy, nervy. Yourself, you.
And if you did shed a tear, King Klepto is worth it. You.
When you know your song them nice, you make them play.
King Klepto is a sound.
It's the killer face.
Killing sound.
Yo, Sanchez, give me a next song now.
Whenever them play one,
Give me a next song, Sanchez.
them get thrown down.
Good.
We kill some boys every time.
Klepto with teeth light.
Still they don't know the score.
Yeah, man. You understand? Punching the big sound the right way. Can you see if I'm killing? Oh, no problem for you, boss. It's willing. Because if I know me don't play around there, I don't come and play one bag of blood clad boring 45 in that. Don't come and come do the Eagle Force. You understand? You play one bag of fake blood clad song a while ago. You play a fake Wayne Wonder. You play a fake Ucho Bantan. And you play a fake Luciana. That's shame. You should have shame pussy. Me no know song. My youth, if a Tarantino there, no, me tell you in a real life. You see, if a Tarantino there will beat your blood clot. I swear to God, for me put it in life, pussy. If I would beat you, kill you down the man. If a Tarantino will beat you and kill you. Once you play them song down, they will beat you and kill you, pussy. In a real life, the bomb buckler there. I'm telling you youth.
Now, this is King Klepto.
When I play a fake song.
Original champion.
Eagle. The eagle and no wings, man.
Rich kid, now worry yourself.
The eagle and no wings, dog.
Teach, run that town.
Show you attack. The way you gonna try. But clean my size 11 in your face.
You good. You sound it make out that dub. I the passy love. Me say hear me man.
Listen.
We was saving some couplet for a zinc and sound passy. It was long ago.
Hold on there, man.
Competition begin loud. Them
I'm going to show you so you're not no song pussy. Watch out.
Selector, kill sound. Inna the dancehall. Any sound. Inna the dancehall. King Klepto.
Pussy who no come here no one bag of blood clot black eye pussy.
We tell them so we not go play with it. No, we tell them so we not go share with it. Every morning we get to play with it.
Ian Ball, what more you do for them?
So we tell them say, yeah, harder. We look up and pull down. I'm a little money in the city. Harder. You
see after me done murder on tonight, pussy.
You know the wicked things we have to. How look on the phone and walk up to and tell them this.
Pussy.
Tell them. Say we moving cold-hearted and dangerous, not a shot I'm serious.
I'm going to kick you like ball in your pussy. You better some song. You no better some blood class song around the pussy. I'm going to whoop
Nah man, big in a
what?
with him. Long talking thing what
Oh, innovation.
Innovation
I warm up sound, man.
That's King Klepto.
You know, see, man, I ain't go to them kids. Trick or treat him forward, man.
Hit and dangerous, we are shoot first, merciless and vicious. We not got delay from a gunshot fever.
But King Klepto cool. Pussy, I want to me and tell the world I would know.
If I war, you know I make it start. If somebody not dead, for me got none of mercy. King Klepto, life don't give life about.
So killer face is dead too.
Sorry if a guy don't dead.
Everybody for dead. Alright, that's all no one do it then. Alright.
He's a short man and mumpy and stitch and photo guy if he get murdered when I'm gonna.
Me never see no killer with no face.
Big and solid and make
sure. I understand, me not understand something.
Yeah, none of mercy.
Yeah, that's a killer face.
Saga, Toronto and Malta. He's a way with a bump on the body rhythm. None of mercy.
Hey, go start it then.
A guy better get a wing and fly like pigeon. None of mercy.
Therefore, me can ask them a question.
If a war, you know I make it start. If somebody now dead, for me gonna pop off. King Klepto a kill, we no come here fit talk.
Me tell Eagle say them a play some splice song and then get nervous. Pussy.
None of mercy. King Klepto talk, well if you're vexed, I you're dropping on the pressure. None of mercy. Well, this is the big bad mighty King Klepto.
And no boy no run no bounty killer joke round with me neither. Now play with me. I rich sound this a play pussy. You know so don't look poor. Look down. One bag of watch over chain and all them blood clot. I wanna go in on no guest shirt. Sit down pussy, I'll puma. I'm going on that.
He's a short man. Killer.
So look all clocks. Pussy a Jordan man, we're gonna suck your mama. Clock, don't know. Come and jump in the chest of Mr. Funko. Welcome and
your next best. Me and your distress.
Me lay you to rest. Haskell 45. Well,
and them couple down, me shot. Them the kid and them better for
pussy a par with your sister and a go like your body, boy.
Kill and destroy. King Klepto come for murder, boy.
Hey, boy!
Well, boy, head fly down, weapon to them this. King Klepto, we bust this your number. None of mercy. This is none other than
your sister look good still. That fucker. Thing alright. Yeah, man. I'll give her one pick.
None of mercy.
Yeah, sir. When me a kill everything. A bad man, we do. Yankee a girl come in front of bad man, we fuck that. I'm to you, harder to me be a motherless. Fuck you, boy. Kill her there. Me a kill boy, me kill everything. Fuck you. Me a murderer. Blood clot. I don't know how to rap with. Me response to Canada.
King Klepto come from murder, boy.
Hey!
Well, boy, head fly down, weapon to them this. King Klepto, we bust this.
Oh, not just in a one bag of blood clot blacker. Now, man, when they are Jamaica, them say people just up in a black, them a bad man. When do we find out about them little pussy?
Cause clear out, one time Polly famous stick. Bullet to them big shot man reaching. Why they acting so bitchy? You know why? King Klepto said,
none of them no bad man.
Up them a up, them never see the bumbo, well them bout them a bad man.
Big up my farmer, a friend them. Man never uno, who have no apple at Toronto. No grape on them something. Big up on yourself. You know see dressing man, farmer dressing man. You know what I'm saying?
You know what? King Klepto said,
none of them no bad man.
Up them a up, them never see the map. Me a killer, me no bop. Shot man, flap the clock, bullet a struck the knock.
King Klepto with the calico, the wig and the
back. Rat patrol get rat up, cops done.
Yo! Oh no, I look for me talk about me in a black pussy. Me can't tell you this.
It's one out motherfucking nigga shit. No. Them send it to King Klepto and after you taking the fun.
Them are the last.
I believe I young and you kill this life run. Your mother, your father, your sister, your son. King Klepto last fear not.
The one where that place on yo. Hombre, yo. Come go for a bar, go buy a 6-pack. Come here. Come go to a bar, buy a 6-pack.
Prime at all time. So, go up to them boy. Let me tell them something about Klepto. Bad man no walk with little boy. Bad man said out little boy. Little boy said on me back down little boy. Big up all Kutan.
Go for the bar. Go for the bar. Go for the bar. Pussy. If you see murderer sound there, dog. Them boy, I'm going to kick you like a ball. On his soccer field.
To them boy. Tell them something about Klepto. Bad man no walk with little boy. Bad man said out little boy. Little boy said on me back down little boy. Some of them are just come bad man. Still a little boy. Where's the little boy? Man kicking at your face in a little boy. Thinks a man free pick up a shot your little boy. Still they run off your stinking suck pussy mouth little boy. Man we rest it in your chest little boy. Make your head scatter like a bird nest little boy. Friend them gather me the rest little boy.
Level Eagle Force. You know none of the artists are going to play now. A long time I listen to your sound and play one bag of fake song, but I never hear you play none other one. But you play two fake one other one too. Killer Face. Yes, I fear artist this. Boy, you run a joke around here tonight. Run a blood clot joke.
Man. Yeah, you hear me on a stage. Yeah, Polly famous, laugh off for them.
I want you run a joke.
Blood clot galaxy. Yeah. King Klepto, killer boy. Me boss me own a gun, none of them no beg, so me no in a no bag of dagger. Yeah, say no King Klepto. The baddest sound in the whole blood clot world.
One better sound song, dog. I get shit me all on in there. Watch. Una song, una killer, blood clot down.
Yeah, me.
Dervy, no tell us I'm rich.
Yeah, Bally famous, laugh up.
Them no know. I go show them in that tonight.
Let's see.
Una no song.
King Klepto, killer boy. Me boss me own a gun, none of them no beg, so me no in a no bag of talk. This me and your dead hollow tip from the rifle clip. Bust up in big head. People calling at the station, shot man no afraid of heads. No,
Pally them kill the killings of the bread.
And the murder and the massacre, blood when me fish head. Killer family, cardiac go send me kids to bed. Kill the elderly, then go check me granny and I go said. Pally fame, now no heart, no contest, not in my head. What you do? Go for knife, but stitch them and no bread. A gunshot, me no fling stone left a up to Fred. 50 caliber, crush you like a tractor and a head. King Klepto.
Come from the garrison, no comparison. I will show you now. When you talk about combination, me the man play one fake blood clot, fear any wonder, and Fuchu Bantan a while ago. So when you play a big money song, dog, you have to spend your money. Bury someone get for him 1,000, Master get her 5 deals. Listen here.
Klepto, King Klepto that is. Big myself, probably famous. Stitch. Rich long time.
You hear the quality?
Hey! Rich kid!
You hear the vice?
Sister man.
Yeah, man. A little bumbo clad. He go first. Pussy, listen.
Yes, big up King Klepto
listen.
Every time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, boy, pay your money.
Every time. Yes, berries. Talk to them.
Yeah.
Bumbo clad.
To-dum, to-dum, to-dum.
Now if you hear a sound guy crying, no worry, King Klepto just chopping. He won't recover. Life is over, yeah.
If you should see a someone,
why kill a face?
Don't ask.
I have to go different place, you know. Yeah, man. Cause you can't make the sound come from Toronto and bad enough, you know. It's not gonna look good. It's a record. See it there? It's live. People are going to say I be a pussy if I win a dog. You see me? Now I go look good for you. Yeah, we have got different. We have got different.
Disrespect. Straight that. All of merit. You know the money I set it in.
Oh, class. You know why we have got different? Can you see me?
So, when the nurse and the bed, when the round, so that we not powder. King Klepto, champion sound forever. When the nurse and the bed, when the round, so that we not powder. And if I jump and test with them, turn over. Some little jump and what is the matter with them? Playing a one and
a while ago, me said big up him sister over there, so him get boomy and start jump up. Who want my sister? Then I who? For your sister who? Your cousin? Are you a woman? Are you a woman? She say you are not a woman. She say you are not a man. She this one you. You should have shame pussy. You know why she blood clot this one? Let me tell her why she this one.
Blood clot, don't fuck around and the blood them John. Blast up can't fun, yeah. One to go. King Klepto the body sound and the realities.
You know why she blood clot this one?
King Klepto sound your bad from money. King Klepto you are done. You put up with your woman, you don't put up with
your blood clot.
Blood clot, don't fuck around.
If I a woman, kiss her, make we see.
Fun, yeah.
Kiss her.
One in.
Oh, your cousin. Oh, your cousin. Oh, sorry. My apologies then, mama. My apologies. So you pose up with the man blood clot girl like a fear. What the bumbo clot this dog? The man over there, so you close mark the man blood clot girl like a security guard. A security that blood clot. Hey, you see like how my security?
Body famous, naturalist.
You see like how my security?
Fire black. King Klepto. Oh, fame.
You see like how my security and in now no girl, what do you do him?
King Klepto, bury them way up on a mountain. I wash for them blood in a fountain. This King Klepto sound when you go there. Cocking in a half
King Klepto
5 from perfect. Kill sound boy because them deserve that represent. Body famous, naturalist.
If I'm me and a rapper and a man kiss her, me box him in a blood clot. And this the man. You're a pussy friend. A friend like you, me know what? You should make you feel like a female blood clot, girl. You're a pussy. Yeah, I'm a pussy. I'm not a friend like that. You're a pussy. Yeah. You let down your friend. Yeah, man, a pussy, man.
Fire rips,
yeah, man.
Fire
you should make you think you're a female girl.
King Klepto.
Yeah, man, you're a pussy. Friend like you, me no want.
Yeah. Bury them way up on a mountain. I wash for them blood in a fountain. This king got the sound when you're gone in. Killing all part of the process. Klepto far from perfect. Kill sound boy because them deserve it.
Hey, hear me say go on now. Killer. No, we know what time man. But you want go on now. Killer face of you come different place, you know, cause now go look good me kill the whole out, you know, dog. But I lie. Why are boring, Bridget? Them sound ya, but I lie. I don't spend the money, dog. Why go on? I don't have the money. So now I don't have the money. You man, so hungry blood clot sound man them. You know the brother. Stop taking look at 9 of my money and buy song, yeah? I play some of my coke money now. Yeah, cause we don't have no song, dog. We don't come a blood clot war around the one sound for dead. Bullet. You had nerve, you don't know them kind of killing you in the dog. Innovation, you know them kind of killing you in the dog.
Yeah, me as the man King Klepto. You know you think already I must represent a King Klepto son. Apache, Stitch, Polly, Rich Kid.
I want to try to violate.
King Klepto. Man a fall gonna rise. A bullet in them eyes. All them for this King Klepto son. And them a never size. Just mortgage and flies. Pull up in unmarked drive.
Bumbo class.
King Klepto pull up on a bow and spread more.
Yo, killer face.
When King Klepto arrive, a bullet in them eyes. King Klepto murder them brawling.
You see if them ever violate. This one I got.
Rifle will let the light off. Blood run like water in the pipe.
Bumbo clad. What you say, my friend them from country there?
King Klepto, the real sound. Get along, chat along. You say, Pally famous. That's the original place, you know, that's Apache.
Hey. Let me represent where me come from now. Listen here. Very famous.
We have to big up St. Mary. We have to big up Portland. And God bless all the Paris. In a Jamaica island. Hey. And them love in a Canada. We have to big up Satan. But everybody know I said Mary famous come from. So Polly famous tell themselves. Just tell me.
Show we forward a blood clot Windsor. I don't know say bullet my friend. Bullet. They don't know say we say blood clot Albert out. For pussy violate.
King Klepto, them a run the world, and them a fuck your girl, yo. So we don't care if we bomb and I'm going and go nowhere. Big bang when we out there. Hear me now.
Level. Earlier I'm say Killer face say was selector play him sound at Jamaica named Dog Face. Him said Dog Face fuck one of my girl. The brown one. The brown one a Dog Face. I'm sister. All I'm man doing now fuck your sister, put your gun on her, me see it. The boy they a dirty boy. You hear me say me have 9 baby mother. If a man fuck one of my girl, I saw you go. All I will say now ball if a man fuck one of your girl, gun on her ear. All I'm man have more than one girl, put your gun finger in her blood clot. Let me tell you about Polly.
Say Richie, you know where for going.
Me tell you about me.
Polly. Everywhere we turn, word a girl. One more girl. King Klepto. 13 Dan, 14 Sophia, plus 15 Peru up and Nova Scotia. Everywhere.
Level there. You know, so you're a pussy friend. You could imagine the dog fuck the girl, and you come here and talk. Me could have lay with him and shoot him and kill him now, you know. Cause the girl a pussy fat, you know. So you know them something there as a yard man, a man fuck your girl bullet. Allow me I tell. You shouldn't come here come blood clot talk. We see like when you talk, they have a new name for your blood.
It's a King Klepto, you know. Hey, this fuck that I'm for, make you show them back one.
Me have a new name for him.
King Klepto. Informer them, I saw them talk plenty. Lift up your belly that the beast will carry on.
So you're informer. So like you're a blood clot informer, we call you informer, we still have a next name for you.
King Klepto.
Here the next name I give now.
Kill some bumbucklat, so I'm say stitch, Mr. Richie, I say it, and all family, I'm say here, your little chatty, tall, it full of patience. She don't need King Klepto. You don't know now, kill some bumbucklat, so I'm say stitch, Mr. Richie, I say it, and all family, I'm say here,
What you about?
Your little chatty, tall, it full of
Level. Me there and me observe what go on. Me find out why him name Killer Face. Remember, you know, him look upon your brother, and when him look upon your brother, in face. So the man have handicap face. Then him look upon Polly, and say Polly have ugly face. So that's why you need a Killer Face, because you like to look upon man face. All like man say you not look upon a blood clot man face. Gun and a blood clot. Pussy. I one thing with the man them a Canada. You never know.
We don't like it, we don't like it. Well, I feel waiting Klepto. From you don't like bossy man, then me want to see you go right away. Go right away. How we fund them, how we run them. Klepto and bossy man now.
John, no, me never know say stocks about him.
Like bossy man, King Klepto. Wave your back, wave your back. Wave your gun, wave your gun, wave your gun, wave your gun.
Handicap face say.
Bossy boy can't come party. King Klepto city.
Nervy. A handicap face say.
Wave your gun, wave your gun.
You want hear the what you do?
Well, I can't believe how much a man gets so cool. Can't believe.
Put the out what? Hey, what? Them say King Klepto.
Oh, sick class. Why stocks me now play back by your sound dog? No secret come a road.
Hey, we don't like it. Well, I feel waiting Klepto. From you don't like bossy man, then me want to see you go right away. Go right away. How we fund them, how we run them. Klepto and bossy man now go friend.
You ready?
We don't like bossy man, King Klepto. Wave your back,
what we do?
Wave your back. Wave your gun, wave your gun.
All like man know say if your friend a bat him and you shoot him. Gun and a blood clot. Gun and a here. Gun on. Gun on.
Wave your gun, wave your gun, wave your gun, wave your gun.
Need ya.
See boy can't come party the King Klepto head.
Well, I can't believe how much a man gets so cool. Can't believe some Rasta man now.
Killer Face try your power with Batman, you fi dead. You fi blood clot
Them and them dirty life, them and them evil hype, and them not live right. Them and them dirty life.
Yo, that blood clot like Killer Face. Just so that this is your response. Pussy.
Here we strength them up. Can't strength all them up. Pally, line up the car, them on the bike, and make we run in for them tonight. And when them feel like them still too tough to bleed.
Watch your no hope. Them to know about one thing you have to tell us the right thing.
You see tonight.
Tell the one teacher. Let's go. If a enemy shoot a man, he woulda live forever and ever and ever.
Me not left till the blood clot that's done.
I can't talk to a papi goat nor buy out who know they down when we are itching.
Bumbo clot.
If you know say King Klepto, you wet them up like a tsunami. And where the blood clot is, if one fi war me some sense.
Listen to me. You see as a bad sound, you have to have some bad blood clot song for some bad rhythm. You see them song ya? Remember in COVID and the place they locked down? And them sang around off every blood clot Monday night. See it ya?
Hey, King Klepto sound for the famous fire rips. Fire blocks, Nachilus, Richie Apache. You know Mr. King Klepto the good direct. Buck it up until the end. Setting place for fire then. King Klepto until the end.
I set the place for fire. Pally for your boss. Different type of
Killer me no pretend strike a different type.
King Klepto sound, fire rips, polyphemus, naturals, fire blocks.
You better tell you night everything. That one ya.
Cause okay mother we no big friend boy. All of them a dead boy. King Klepto right
the
tarot.
So me represent Bombo Clock, King Klepto sound. I say fire rips, polyphemus, butter, fire blocks, Rico, naturals, share that.
Alright.
Yeah, the other day them find sitting new for try. Them no mention my name. Them no feel.
You better watch the King Klepto. You could man jump on the day.
1+1.
Yo gunman, King Klepto. And now, chipper than chip, enemy of vanquish.
Ever teach a bumbo claw long enough.
What them say, son?
Wake up. Them not do no harm. Press it on the yam. Boy, put it in a hand. Bumbo claw.
So Bombo Clock, natural,
Oh,
share
the
that.
A 1+1 no yet, I don't know him.
King Klepto. Tell them how I wanna deal with Jai Boy.
King Klepto roll deep. And if you don't know
I'm not playing a song yet. Yeah.